Hi guys, I wanted to take a minute to introduce you to your next task. This is called a practice performance task. You're going to see these in probably one a unit for the rest of the school year. You're going to also have a performance task at the end of a unit that is going to be a major grade. This one is not. This one is a minor grade, and it's practice. It's a practice performance task. These tend to be something that involves a lot of thinking. It involves some kind of creative thinking, and might be something that you're completely used to. It's not a simply fill in blank type worksheet. You have to do a little bit more work for it, but it also involves reading. Okay, and so one of the things I wanted to show you is how you can highlight things in Word so that as you're reading you can highlight and underline just like you would if it was a piece of paper that you were working on. So up here, if you click on the Home tab, make sure you're on Home, and this button here next to the color of the font is a highlighter, and you can pick whatever highlighter you want. And say you're reading this, and the giant termite mounds that rise up from the sands of the African safari are so distinctive it's tempted to give them names. Maybe I just want to highlight that for some reason. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that. So you can do that as you're going through, as you're reading it, highlight the things that you think are as important. That way when you get down to the question, you've already highlighted some things that you think is important. You can also underline things too by underlining or highlighting it and clicking underline. That way, maybe underlining is things you don't understand and you want to look up or something like that. You can choose your own system and do it however you want to do it. Okay, so this is a little bit of reading. It's an excerpt from, I believe, the New York Times, that you're going to read, and then you are going to write, practicing writing scientifically. And this gives you some sentence structure to start with, okay? This one says to write 3 sentences about the role termites play in modifying the natural process of the water, carbon, and nitrogen cycle. Use the following words in order at the beginning of your claims: although, when, and if. Okay, so you're going to start your sentences with those 3 words. And then down here, this is giving you a claim, and you're going to read the claim, and then you're going to say whether or not you support the claim or if you refute the claim. And then whatever your answer, support or refute, you're going to give me 2 reasons and give me 2 evidence from the text. And also text, also you can rely on your own knowledge of what we've learned in the carbon cycles and nitrogen cycles and carbon cycles to help you. So you can also rely on that and then provide your scientific reasoning. So then you're going to describe 2 ways that humans influence the cycling of matter in the ecosystem. So that you can kind of think about. Maybe you have some ideas off the top of your head. Maybe you need to do some more research. Either way, you're going to type your answer into there. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'm going to put a link to audio of this in the module, and I am also going to put a group chat in the module for you guys to discuss this task and help each other.